Jude said he's got one. Caleb, can we put this in slow motion?
Yeah. Let me help you.
I got it. Let go. Stop touching.
It takes some editing with vision.
Oh, you really put some fuel up in there, didn't you?
Not that much. Yeah. That was
Get on this side. Give me this thing.
Hit the fucking gas yourself.
No, you hit the gas.
He barely had the thing cracked.
Yeah, I didn't know.
What do you? You gotta like.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that because I don't want to blow the tire off the tire machine like you do. There's a fucking reason I didn't do it. I did. I got the first one.
And don't shoot your load before it beads. You got it?
Bang!
No, maybe not.
You good?
There's nothing better than acetylene tire bombing. Nothing. Forget the cheetah and knocking your teeth out. And you ain't doing it right unless you blow the tire off the tire machine.
I don't know about
To
that.
get my tires.
Did you really?
Yeah. Two of them. Two of them went fine. The other two I needed to shoot. Or the.
Jude, ooh, you didn't match the dot with the dot on the factory rim.
Hey.
I get it. Let's say
Where's the dot on the rim? Man?
someone took it off.
Go find the dot on the
It's like a needle in a haystack.
Go find Waldo on the tire and let me know. Find Waldo on the rim. Find the.
I can remember when I was a kid that my dad would go and get new tires, and white walls were a thing back then. Like it used to be like a white wall, and then a white wall, and then a white wall, and then the white wall got real skinny.
Yeah.
And then he would be out there scrubbing them with a steel wool pad and getting them all cleaned up, like he was a pimp.
Yeah, you should put white walls on the Sequoia.
I had white walls on the Santa
Dude,
Fe.
let me tell you, now
Remember I had white walls on the Santa Fe?
I don't know, this could be just me, but
Sequoia would be pissed.
the Sequoia was ripping 80 miles an hour down 95 south with everything we did to the car. I swear that either it was the cold air made it feel that much better, or everything that we did for quick maintenance and a fuel injection in the tank really made the car feel like she made a lot of power. Typically it's a dog, like at 80 miles an hour cutting through the wind. Dude, I was just barely on the gas and cruising at 80.
Well, dude, you're a brick.
Huh?
You're a brick.
A brick.
Drive the Jeep at 80 miles an hour.
Does it feel like it's sluggish?
It's a Jeep. It always feels
You
sluggish.
put a little fuel injector cleaner, it might not be so sluggish.
It's a Jeep
It's
on
a Jeep.
35.
It's a Jeep on 35s. It's gonna be sluggish.
And it wasn't re-geared.
Turd.
It's gonna be sluggish.
Like that, I hope that it had a nice big flash for you guys. You saw Jude's little furt, and then you saw my boom!
Well, I'm trying not to blow the tire off.
I'm trying to blow that right off the tire machine every time.
Blow that what?
Blow that tire right off the tire machine.